How to connect the fake Apple Watch Ultra 2, this one right here. So you probably have one of those super copy Ultra Watch, the Apple Ultra Watch still looks like this here, okay? And you'll know this is the one that you have if you just pay attention to the interface, that it looks like this one right there, okay? So basically it'll have these sort of icons here, okay? So when you want to connect this here, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this to a OnePlus phone, this is running Android 14, you'll want to enable the Bluetooth settings on this watch first, okay? So in order to do this here, you'll have to press this button here until you get this screen right here, and just browse over to the right side until you see this icon right here, okay? So just tap on that here. That's gonna enable the phone Bluetooth connection, okay? So even this looks like the real Ultra watch there. It's going to have a different software interface. Okay, so you'll turn this on here now. And while this is on your OnePlus phone or any other Android phone that has a similar Android 14 layout here, you'll use the quick panel access and you'll find a Bluetooth option here. Go ahead and long press that. That's going to take you here. And you want to turn this on here so that it can start to search for nearby devices. And this is among like one of those like kind of close to a super copy Apple Watches out there, and just wait for it to show up. It's going to take a few seconds before it shows up there. And if it doesn't show up the first time, you'll just have to just kind of refresh until it's ready to connect, okay? So just go ahead and refresh now, and then you'll see eventually that it's going to show up, all right? Just wait. I'll pause it until it gets to it. All right, there you go. So it's going to show up as two different separate audio devices, okay? The one with the headphones is going to connect as a audio piece, whereas the one with the Bluetooth icon is the one that you want to go with. Okay, so go with this one here, and you're going to get that pairing request here, okay? And just press pair, and it'll say connecting, and it'll tell you that it's connected, okay? And that should be it, okay? So you'll be all connected and all that ready to go. And this icon right here, you'll see this icon right next to the battery indicator. That's gonna let you know that there's something connected to the watch itself at the moment, okay? So like and sub.